And here we are, live and direct from Phangan in Thailand, with the jumpingofftheboat.net live satellite link to you.
Can you give us a rating on that?
That was a very good team effort, and they approached the landing with an intent. Each one of them had their own characteristic departure mode, and pretty much they pulled it off. There's no dramatic incidents. It was good.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give them?
Our panel of judges has given them a 9.
A 9. That's good. That's good.
Well, it's very exciting actually what's happening. We've got usually 1 in 5 boats go down. This is the 5th boat. So it's a bit of a spectator sport this afternoon, isn't it?
Hey, Tor.
Hello.
How are you?
Very good.
You're good. We're watching the boats come in.
Yes.
You're the only one that did it good.
Yes. Thank you.
Well, here we go again.
We're going again, huh?
It's a laugh a minute.
All right, here we go again. The cheering section's all here.
Here we go, here we go.
We have a new boat coming in. We were just wanting to get some thoughts. What you thought of this
Well, we'll keep on cheering as long as no one gets hurt.
As long as no one gets hurt, it's all in fun.
Woo! How exciting.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give him, Michael?
Well, I'd probably give him an 8 on the execution, you know, and on a 1 to 10 scale for difficulty, this is probably about a 7.
7.
Yeah. It's not unreasonable, but you know, an inexperienced crew would have a real trouble with a day like today. Well, as we've seen, if you boats go down.
What does that sound? Did you hear it? Did you hear that thump? What does that sound?